Alright, so we are at the end of week 3, and this is project version 2 of my application called Outside. So last week I was able to create the login and successfully log in. This is the part that I added, but I'll get to that in just a minute. Logout button works. All of the routing is fixed. That was still kind of messy from last week, so now that's all perfect, which is great. You're able to create an account, which I believe I showed last week, so I won't show that again. But if we go ahead and log in, you'll see that I created the table and the form to match this. So the form is going to be in here, and this is where they put in the address information. I have the model set up to go ahead and load that into the database. And if you see in my database, we still have our users table with 8,000 different tries. And we also now have a point of interest table with another 24 tries. So it looks like everything is going through into the database, and that was my goal for this week's version, was to implement Bootstrap, which I did, which is why it looks nice, and then also to create this form to insert the address. Next week I plan on being able to display what is saved here, and then it will be saved into a category. That's what I had planned for week 4, and then we'll also add the Google API to make things a little bit cleaner. And looks like that should be about it for this week. Thank you. Oh, real quick before this ends, I'll just go ahead and show the code. Don't really use main or the user model or the users. That was last week, and all these views here. Home, that's the new controller that I've created. Also did some so they're not able to access like the application without being logged in. So I have this if statement: if this session is not logged in, redirect them back to the login page or the register page. Then we have the account model, which I touched on earlier. We have the views, and then we have the main layout, which is allowing me to do the Bootstrap and make it look nice, like in the columns. Let me just show you real quick. Yeah, so this is with this. They each have their own divs. Alright, anyways, that is all for this week, and I'll see you guys in 5-ish, 6 days. Thank you.